Software cost and maintenance. Hello and welcome to the video section of software cost and maintenance. Today I will explore the financial aspects of software development, focusing on why maintenance costs are significant and the economic and management aspects of software engineering. Understanding the cost, understanding software costs. Let's start by discussing the costs involved in software development. While the initial development phase is often seen as a large investment, many don't realize that maintenance costs can quickly surpass development expenses. Maintenance includes fixing bugs, adapting software to new environment, and improving existing features. Studies show that over 60% of a software's total cost can be attributed to maintenance. This is because software needs to evolve as user requirements change, technologies advance, and new bugs emerge over time. In fact, maintenance can be more expensive than initial development because it involves ongoing efforts to keep the software functionality smoothly in a dynamic environment. Why maintenance is more expensive? One reason why maintenance costs are higher is that fixing or enhancing existing code requires a deep understanding of the software's architecture. Over time, as more features are added, the software becomes more complex, making it harder and more expensive to maintain. Additionally, software is constantly adapting to new hardware, operating systems, and user demands. Each adaptation requires resource, which can increase the overall maintenance cost significantly. Economic and management aspects of software engineering. Now, let's talk about the economic and management aspects of software engineering. Effective cost management is essential to ensure that both development and maintenance are financially sustainable. Software production involves both development and maintenance, and it's important to recognize that maintenance is not a one size fits all category. It can be broken down into three types: corrective maintenance, fixing bugs and errors that are discovered after the software is deployed; adaptive maintenance, updating the software to work in new environments such as new operating systems or hardware; perfective maintenance, enhancing and adding new features to improve functionality. By adding these categories, software managers can allocate resources more efficiently and ensure the long term success of their products. Conclusion. In conclusion, while software development costs are significant, it's crucial to recognize the maintenance can become an even bigger financial investment over time. Properly managing these costs through effective planning and resource allocation ensures that software remains functional, adaptable, and profitable in the long run. Thank you for watching.